I've got the rand between function for you today. This is a great one that I use when I just need to generate some random numbers. Here, for instance, I'm going to do a sample worksheet. And I start out with the equal sign, like I always do. And I start typing. You can generate a random number with rand, R-A-N-D. I'm going to use the rand between because that's going to give me a range. So I say the bottom range, let's say 1,000, and the top of the range, let's say 9,000. And that's all I do. I can enter that into the cell, and then I'm going to fill that to these other cells. And you're seeing I'm getting random numbers between that 1,000 to 9,000. And what's interesting about this, though, is that these will keep changing on you as you do things and put more content in here. You see, as I enter content, every time I enter something in a cell, the numbers change on me. So if you want to lock down a set of numbers that you can use, what I usually do is Control-C to copy, and then I come over here to paste, and I simply paste them right back in as values. And then those numbers become static numbers, so I can do whatever I need to at this point, and then those numbers are locked in place, ready to use, and that's it. Equal rand between.